When you're on a business trip, you might be away from the office for some time. However, important incoming calls will still reach your office phone during that period. How to deal with that? You may think about forwarding calls to your mobile phone. Is it possible? Call forwarding feature makes it possible. This feature redirects phone calls to another desired destination. You can forward all incoming calls to your cell phone during your business trip. Incoming calls will reach your office phone as usual once you're back to the office. Besides, you can also enable the feature only when you're busy with a call or happen to miss a call. The desired destination actually includes voicemail, other extensions, some call features such as IVR and ring group, as well as a custom number. Anyway, the call forwarding feature just helps us to redirect phone calls to another destination as we desired. More information for VoIP features, subscribe us or visit Yeastar.com.